Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to use FlexClip's video to AI sound effect generator. Log in with your account first. On the right side, you can preview some samples and use the same video and prompt to generate a new sound effect by clicking the Remix button. On the left side, upload a local video or choose from your AI-generated videos. Describe the video content. You can choose to remove the original video sound or not. Click Generate. A few seconds later, you will get a video with proper sound effects. Preview it. Finally, you can further edit this video on the editing page or download and save it to your desktop directly. Switch to History, click a video, and you can check its details and share it easily. Back on the History page, you can download or delete multiple videos at once. Click the Upload button, and you can add these videos to the editing page and modify them freely. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.